Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and use drawing templates in TradingView, specifically with the XABCD pattern tool. By the end of this video, you'll be able to save your custom settings as templates and apply them instantly to your future charts, which honestly is a massive time saver and helps you keep your analysis super consistent. If you've ever wished you didn't have to redo your colors and lines every single time, stick around because this is the tip you need. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing you want to do is create a drawing template. Imagine this as designing the perfect custom tool for your workflow. You get to pick the colors, the thickness, and any tweaks that make your charts uniquely yours. So on your TradingView chart, look for the drawing panel. This is usually on the left side and it's packed with tons of useful tools. For this example, we're going to use the XABCD pattern tool, which is great for harmonic trading and marking specific price patterns. Click on that tool to select it, then head over to your chart and plot out the pattern where you want. Now comes the fun part, customizing your pattern to look exactly the way you prefer. Maybe you want your lines to be bold and bright so they stand out in a busy chart, or maybe you want a subtle color that doesn't distract you from the price action. It's totally up to you, just right-click on the drawing you've made on your chart. When you do that, you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can change things like the line color, thickness, the style, even the text if your tool supports it. Take a moment to experiment here and find what looks just right for you. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get everything dialed in, that's totally normal. Once you're satisfied with how your XABCD pattern looks, it's time to save this setup as a template so you don't have to redo all those settings every time. All you need to do is right-click on your drawing again, and this time look for the template option in the menu. Click on that and then select Save As. Now give your template a name that's easy to remember, maybe something simple like my XABCD setup. This way you can find it quickly later. Just hit Save and congratulations. Your template is now stored in TradingView. Now let's test it out and make sure it works perfectly. You can go ahead and erase the drawing you just made, no worries, your template is still there, safely saved. Now grab the XABCD pattern tool again from the drawing panel and plot a new pattern on your chart. Here's the magic. Right-click on this new drawing, choose Template from the menu, and you'll see the template you just created. Click it, hit OK, and instantly all your custom settings are applied to the new drawing. It's just like stamping your personal style across every chart without all the repetitive clicking. And that's really all there is to it. With templates in TradingView, you get to work smarter, not harder. If you ever want to edit or update your template, just repeat these steps and save it again. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Once you get the hang of it, you'll never want to go back. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step TradingView tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.